how's it going everyone? In today's video, let's talk about these three tools right here, which is going to be Orca Slicer versus Bambu Studios versus Prusa Slicer. So I'll give you a brief explanation. What's the difference between these three tools and which one should you choose? So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is Orca Slicer right here. Now, Orca is basically the power user favorite. Basically, it gives us advanced controls, calibration tools, pressure advanced tuning, and more ways to fine tune prints. If you like tweaking your setting and getting the best quality possible, I believe Orca is really hard to beat. From there, let's head over to Bambu Studios. Now, basically with this one, it is the easiest if you own yourself a Bambu printer. It's clean, fast, and it's worked great right out of the box itself. Cloud printing and automatic profiles make it super beginner friendly, and I believe Bambu Studio works best if you have a Bambu printer. And lastly, we have Prusa Slicer. Prusa is known for its reliability. It has great presets, excellent support generation, and works with a huge range of printer, not just Prusa. So which one wins? There's no exact answer or winner, but Orca Slicer is best for advanced tuning. Bambu Studio is the easiest for Bambu users, and Prusa Slicer is best all around reliability. All of these slicers right here works great, so you just have to go ahead and look for the slicer that works best in your scenario. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.